Good morning, good morning. Hello, everyone. I'm back with another video breakdown of today's daily Python challenge. Today, I am on week 1 of Data in Motion's coding questions. Let's go ahead and get started. The problem is to create a function that takes a string and returns the number count of vowels contained within it. So let's go ahead and get started with my solution function, which I already have declared here. I called it vowel count, and it takes in as the parameter a word. So let's go ahead and remove pass and let's get started on our logic here. So the first thing I want to do is I want to make a variable called count that'll essentially keep the count, and then at the end we'll return the count to solve the issue there. So let's go ahead and say count is equal to 0 because we're starting off here without any information, or we don't even know what the word is passed in as. So from there we're going to say we want to go through each letter of the word, so we'll do a for loop. So we'll say for letter in word. So that'll grab each individual letter. And then at the top here, actually we'll go back and we'll make another list that will contain our vowels. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll say vowels is equal to, we'll make a list. We'll say A, E, I, O, U. So now that we have that list here, we have something to compare our letters to. So we're going to say for letter and word, we're going to say if that particular letter we're on is in vowels. So it's going to go to each letter. It's going to go and see if that letter is in our vowel list we declare here. And if that letter is there, we want to add 1 to our count. So then we're going to say count plus equals 1. And now that we've checked the count for each letter, we can at the bottom return that count. And one more thing I want to do is I want to lower the letter just to make sure in case uppercase is entered, it'll still recognize it as a letter in our vowel count. So we'll say letter dot lower. And that way, if we receive an uppercase version of a vowel, it'll still count that letter as a vowel. Okay, so looks good. Let me go ahead and create a terminal to test this function here. Just one moment. Console here. Okay, let's just CD over. And then let's go ahead and run it in our console now. 3 week 1. Okay, so we're getting 2 3 1 1. Okay, so we're getting 2 because the first word I passed in was meal, so that has that E and A. We're getting 3 because here we have the O, U, and E. And then 1 because shop only has O, and 1 because jump only has U. So that is my solution to this problem. Let me know how you would have went about solving it. And let me know if you have any tips for me. And that'll be all for today. Bye-bye, guys.